Hey, hi, this is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx. Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about this Mi Sonic Charge 2.0. I mean the 33 watt charger. There is like 10 watt, 18 watts, 27 watts, and this one 33 watt charging. Let's see what all the contents you get in this box, and I'll speak some points about this charger. Let's begin this video. This is the package I got it today. Let's check out. It's a big package. Still it's with Diwali with me. Already Diwali has finished. This is already 2021. Now we are getting this package. Anyway, it's good to see. And inside this package you'll get this small box. In this box only it will have, and here are the some specs I have written. As you can see, it's BS certified, and its good thing is like it's made in India. Very good, guys. This charger is made in India, as you can see, and the month and year of manufacturing is January 2021. Now look at this, the box package. You will get it, and you will get this the made in India logo, as you can see. Let me keep the cover aside, and here you will get the sticker. You need to remove it. As you can see, let me try here. Like this, you need to remove it. Okay. Let's open this box. Let's check out what are it. Oh, it's tiny little box, but they managed to keep this cable and the adapter. Let me open this outside. It's tight enough. Okay, this is the cable, and sorry, this is the adapter. As you can see, here they have mentioned made in India. The 33 watt output. As you can see, made in India, and this is the ratings: 11 volts, 3 amperes, voltage into ampere is equal to power output, that is 33 watts. And here comes the cable. As you can see, the same cable I got it with this Poco X2 and X3. I mean X3, not the X2. They have that orange accent colors. Let me keep this side, and this is the cable. As you can see, this is the cable and the charger. I got it in X3 device box. As you can see here, they have mentioned made in China. Exactly the same piece, but this manufactured in China, and that is India. And recently I made the video of the Poco X3. Do check out if you want it. And this is the cable and adapter. As you can see, I have charged this smartphone several times, both of this, after checking it only and making this video. As you can see, it's exactly the same, and the placement of that, everything is exactly the same. Just difference is made in India and made in China. Those are the difference. As you can see, that's the difference you will notice regarding this, both of them. Now coming to the cable, also exactly the same. The cables are also exactly the same. Nothing changed here. The length of the cable is around like 100 centimeters. Now coming to this smartphone, as you can see, let me plug in. Okay, let me keep the socket in smartphone, the USB Type-C, and as you can see, you will see this animation. It's pretty fast. And this charger length is like, cable length is like around 1 meter or less than 1 meter, and this the adapter, you will get it. and I have already shown that the difference between this adapter and what we got with the Poco X3 smartphone, and I recently made this review of this Poco X3. If you want to check out, here we get the cards and you can check it in my channel also. And the original charger came with Poco X3 and this one are exactly the same, just this one manufactured here in India, that is a good thing. And I did not notice any heating or anything like that, but definitely it will get warm because it's a charger and it need to charge the battery. Definitely it will get warm. Currently it's cold temperatures, but in the summers you will definitely feel the warmness. Nothing like any overheating or like that, but if you want to see the video how to charge a smartphone and battery related things, there is a card again. Watch that video, I have explained some points. Now coming this build quality and everything is same. I found little bit of difference, like this finishing is okay, but the made in China one have very good finishing, I guess, but it's like 1% difference. Moreover, everything is same. And in this small box they give this charger, I mean the adapter and the cable, and it's very good. This charger and cable is used for lots of devices, including like coming from Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro, Poco X3, and even the flagships like Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro. Those devices also come with same charger, I guess. No, it's the same charger. And you can even use for Poco X2. I tried with the same charger with Poco X2. It was like not pulling like 27 watts or anything, or even the 33 watts. Definitely it won't support, but it is charging like it's okay, better than 18 watt charger. I recommend to buy 18 watt charger for Poco X2, and there is a 27 watt charger also, Sonic Charge 1.0, and this is a 2.0 from Xiaomi, and this costs only $9.99. It's available only in the Mi.com, I mean the Mi Store application. You need to download from the Play Store. From there you can purchase it at 9.99 rupees only. Comparing to other smartphone chargers, this is very good considering the price point of $9.99. You can use it for Poco and Xiaomi devices, as I mentioned, Poco M2 Pro, Poco X3, and some Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Mi 10T series. And now this build quality, everything is good, and I have never faced any problems also. They have given this orange color accent colors even in the adapter also. It's a little bit hefty. A few months ago I made a video on this, like 10 watt charger and this braided cable from the same company Xiaomi, and this cable won't support this 33 watt charging. You do note that, don't attach this cable. You need to carry the same cable and same adapter to charge a smartphone, then only it will charge correctly and without any problems. Do carry the same charger and the adapter, I mean the wire and the adapter. And I personally use this 10 watt charger for even Poco X3 and all the Type C smartphones available with me, because it is not necessary to charge every time with fast charger. It's my personal thing I am sharing with you. If you want to charge every day, it's based upon your need. I personally charge with this 10 watt charger, and whenever I need fast charging, then whenever I am in hurry and I want quick charging, then I can use this charging, and it is BIS certified and even Quick Charge 3 certified from Qualcomm, and it's good charging. It's available for just $9.99. I'll give the links down. It's just available only in Mi.com and Xiaomi's Mi Store application. From there you can easily buy this charger, I mean the adapter and cable. Both are bundled in this small box. They'll give big package. Anyhow, this is available. And coming, like, some of the brands are not included this type of chargers and cables in their websites. That is very sad, and I'm happy that Xiaomi is bundling that in their official website, and I wish they also provide it in even Flipkart and Amazon also, such that everyone will purchase it. If you are first time to this channel, a small request, please do subscribe to my channel such that you get similar kind of videos first to you. And if you want to share this video, please do share with your friends and family members such that they can understand this charger available for them, and If you like the video, give it a like also. Even the data transfers from this cable is also fine, no problem in that. And the build quality is also fine, no problem. And that's all from this video. If you like it, give it a like and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.